The total weight of soil when fully saturated is 1,600 grams and the weight of the soil after drying is 1,000 grams if the specific gravity of the soil grains is 2.67. Evaluate the following. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Assalamualaikum. Welcome back po sa ating YouTube channel. Ang problem natin for today ay mula sa Hydraulics and Geotechnical Engineering. Ang problem na ito ay isang passboard problem na lumabas noong April 2024, last board exam. Okay, let's start. Identify muna natin yung mga given dito. 1,600 grams, ito yung saturated mass ng soil. 1,000 grams, ito naman yung dry mass ng soil. 2.67, ito yung specific gravity ng soil. Fully saturated ang soil, so degree of saturation nito is 1. And yung mga hinahanap ay ito, moisture content, and dapat daw is percent, void ratio, and porosity. Okay, proceed na tayo sa ating solusyon. And start tayo dito sa part 1, moisture content. And this is also known as water content. Formula ng moisture content ay mass ng water, which is hindi pa natin ito alam, over dry mass. Formula na gagamitin natin para sa mass of water is kunin lang natin ang difference nitong dalawa. Makukuha natin ang mass ng water kapag kinuha natin yung difference ng saturated mass and dry mass. Okay, mass ng water ay 600 grams. Ito na yung mass ng ating water and pwede na natin makuha ang moisture content. Moisture content natin ay 0.60 and dahil kailangan ay percent, convert natin ito into percent and magiging 60% na siya. And ito na ang ating final answer. Part 2, void ratio. Formula na gagamitin natin dito sa void ratio is yung formula nitong 4. GMC is equal to SE. Void ratio natin ay 1.60. Ito na ang ating final answer. Okay, last part. Part 3, porosity. Ang formula ng porosity natin dito ay E over 1 plus E. Porosity natin ay 0.6154 and kailangan dito is percent, so convert natin ito into percent and ito ay magiging 61.54%. And ito na ang ating final answer.